Hello everyone. For this tutorial video, I'd like to demonstrate how to analyze rectangular pyramids, which although a square pyramid is technically one too, I am referring to all rectangular pyramids that have non-square bases. Just like a square pyramid, the surface area of a rectangular pyramid is relatively straightforward to derive, because you are simply unfolding four triangles on top of a rectangular base. However, the trick of multiplying by 4 no longer works, because the base length of two of the triangles are different than the base length of the other two, and the heights would also have to be different in order for them all to still reach the apex and form the pyramid shape. The volume is much more cumbersome, just like the square pyramid, and in fact, we can use a very similar, almost exact procedure as the square pyramid to figure out the volume of the rectangular pyramid. Just like we broke down a square pyramid into rectangular prisms with square bases, we can see that a rectangular pyramid can also be broken down in a similar manner, as a sum of infinitely thin rectangular prism layers with rectangular bases, and we can see that the area of the base will decrease the higher you are on the pyramid, and so we would use the same exact proof as with square pyramids to figure out the volume of a rectangular pyramid. In fact, because we already proved explicitly that the volume of a square pyramid is the area of the base times the height divided by 3, we plug in the same exact formula for a rectangular pyramid, and we know because the base is a rectangle, the area of it would be length times width. So for a rectangular pyramid, the volume would be length times width times height divided by 3, which is what the formula area times height divided by 3 already expresses, just in a more generalized form without all the factors written out explicitly. Now that we have proven the surface area and volume of a rectangular pyramid, we can explore how to figure out a pyramid with a base who is any regular polygon, just like we figured out cubes and rectangular prisms before figuring out more general forms of prisms. Don't forget to subscribe if you found this video informative, and make sure to see other tutorial videos, and follow me on either Facebook or Twitter for more content.